we hit 6,000 subscribers. Hey y'all, welcome back to another banging video. First and foremost, I want to start off this video by thanking y'all because we just hit 6,000 subscribers, and that is a huge milestone in my book. So I want to thank y'all for real from the bottom of my heart. If you know me, you know my passion here on YouTube. You know everything I've gone through with my channel. And one thing about it is I love to film. Despite how I'm feeling, when I get in front of this camera and I talk to y'all, it's just like, it makes everything better. It truthfully does. This is my baby. This is everything to me. And I've grown it from scratch. And I wouldn't be here without y'all. So truthfully, guys, y'all are the real MVPs. And I'm so grateful. We're on a road to 10K. So don't forget to share with your friends. Go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up. And in order of this celebration, right, to celebrate this moment, I'm going to be bringing out my best friends, okay? We're gonna be drinking with y'all and maybe doing some fun activities. So before we get started, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already. And let's get into it. 6K subscribers. Yay! I'm back. And I'm better. Period. Call me in. She knows everything I done dealt with. So to hit this milestone, it's like, let them know.
Big tings.
Tings.
Where my mic at?
Huh?
Where my mic at?
Get the lid.
Which one? This
Ooh.
one?
Go ahead. First
I want to say I'm very proud of my bestie for reaching this milestone. She's worked so hard. She's been through so much, and I'm just so proud of this accomplishment. And next milestone is 7K. So y'all better subscribe because we doing bigger and better things next time. Okay? Mic drop.
Period. Don't drop the tequila because I need to drink that. I love you. So yeah, in what do you call it? Like in order of the celebration. In regards to celebration.
In order.
In regards.
In regards to the celebration. It's
So-
order to celebrate.
In regards to the celebration, we are going to be drinking with y'all because y'all need to celebrate too. So grab your glass, grab a shot glass, grab a wine glass, grab whatever
Any
glass,
glass.
a cup at that.
Right.
You know what?
Plastic,
Chug it
paper, whatever.
Chug it from the bottom. We don't
Something,
even
right,
care.
yeah. Take it to the head.
Right. Okay. And join us for this celebration. Anyway, so yeah, we're gonna start drinking with y'all. Let's show them what we got though.
Well, they already saw this. Let's bring it out again.
So this is Tres Generaciones tequila. I tried it. It's mad good. Like, I don't really be drinking liquor like that.
I haven't tried it.
Yeah, I really haven't. We only got a few of these bottles because my friend, he has a contract with them, so he gave us a few to try, and it's very good though. So yeah, Kayla's gonna try it because she hasn't tried it. And yeah, we are probably gonna mix that because we're weak. This is giving bottle girl vibes.
Right, like I turned it. And we have Moscato. How do you pronounce this? Bartenura Moscato from Italy. Very good, very good.
It's giving Publix.
It's not, bruh. If y'all know, y'all know. This is one of the best Moscatos.
That is one of, okay, so I don't drink like that, right? And I definitely don't really know the difference between certain legs. Like, that's probably, it's probably embarrassing, but whatever. So Kayla put me onto that because I had a bottle of that in the house, and she was like, that's literally my fave. It's so good. And we have the same taste. Like, one thing about me and Kayla is we're always in agreement about everything. We feel the same way about everything. Like, I don't know, you know, every now and then we have, you know, our differences, but for the most part, like, we like the same things. So
yes, ting.
So yeah, so that was conjugal. Conjugal. Anyways, so yeah, she put me on, and when I tell y'all that tastes so good,
y'all.
I mean, it's so good. Matter of fact, just pour me up. Pour me up. Not my little treat your elf cups. This is giving Christmas, but pour me up.
We're
sis.
in them spirits.
We done finished this whole bottle ourselves. Make sure you have enough for yourself. Ooh, there'll be plenty. Not you drinking from the bottle.
I think there's too much for me to drink from the bottle.
Okay.
Unless you want a little bit more. I'll drink more.
We can do the thumbnail. Say
Ooh.
cheers.
Actually,
yes,
there
girl.
was actually enough.
Ooh, pour me up. Every drop counts. Cheers, bestie.
Not me having lipstick on it. Is this a thumbnail?
Well, cheers you and me.
Okay.
No, but in
Okay.
real life, cheers.
Cheers.
To great friendship and motivation.
Delightful.
Drink up.
That's good. Oh my god. What is it giving? It's giving lychee. Oh, my favorite. Lychee.
Lychee? It's called lychee.
Lychee. Lychee to lychee.
It's giving all good things, all good things. Anyways, it's a very soft wine, right? Moscato's a type of wine.
Yeah. It's like a light wine. It's not hardcore.
Right, it's given a very soft, light wine. Sparkly, kind of like a Sprite, a sweet Sprite, but with a little bit of lick, because after a little bit of this, you feel it. You feel it. So, that's so good. Literally, one bottle is just not enough.
Right,
We sound
like-
like alcoholics. Right, it's giving juice.
It is juice. Look, I'm done already.
Yo, my camera had actually died on me outside, so I, finished wrapping up over there, and then I came inside and I was like, I gotta finish this video because I never finished it. But truthfully, from the bottom of my heart, like 6K means so much to me. It's a step closer to the milestone that I want to reach, which is 10K. And it's crazy because I have flashbacks sometimes of like when I first started my channel, and the way I've grown, the things I've learned from YouTube, the way I've proved myself wrong in a positive light like so many times has been because of my channel. So I'm extremely grateful for literally just YouTube and the opportunities I've gotten here on this platform, and my subscribers, just everything in general. Truthfully, I feel very fortunate. And like I said, this is not, this is just the beginning. So our next milestone is our 10K, and it's only up from there. So like I said, that kind of just wrapped it up. But I'm going to be dropping some very exciting content. I have a few collabs with some of my friends that I'm excited to share, some like fun and exciting and funny videos. I want to expand more into vlogs. I want to do more, believe it or not, I will be eventually addressing like things that have to do with like the medical field. I feel like I'm just trying to get out, honestly, I'm very smart with my channel. I feel like I'm just trying to get out all like the playful and exciting and funny content first, and then focus more on maybe like the medical side at some point, because that's also very relevant and present in my life, and I want to be able to talk about that. But I don't want to be having, I don't want to be really having one video where it's like, I'm saying some type of crazy stuff and then something else with like it has to kind of like go hand in hand. So at some point I might like shift my content. It just depends really also on what y'all want to see, because I feel like here on my channel I take pride in just being able to do content that y'all want to see. Like if it's a question you guys want me to answer in more depth, or like an example or a story time, just things like that. So yeah, I'm very big on that. I want to make sure that my subscribers are enjoying the content that they're taking their time out to watch. So yeah, like I said, if y'all have anything, like any suggestions or anything in specific you would like to see, make sure to comment down below. Aside from that, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'm gonna go ahead and hop into the shower and just start getting ready for bed soon because it is so late and I'm pretty tired, in case y'all could not tell, and I'm just ready to take a nice hot bath and hop into bed and get ready for tomorrow, because tomorrow I have even more exciting content and things that I need to edit and drop for y'all. So yeah, sorry if I look a little busted, but like I said, my camera had died in the moment, so I just had to make work with what I had and then finish it off over here. Anyways, thank you guys again so much for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I feel like that's the 20th time I've said that, so I'm sorry, but anyways, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.